Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your iPhone to a GMC Terrain. First, make sure your iPhone's Bluetooth is turned on. Then, power up your Terrain's infotainment system. It's always best to be safely parked before you begin pairing any device. This ensures your full attention is on the setup process, making it quick and easy to get started. Next, navigate to the phone menu on your GMC Terrain's infotainment screen. Look for an option like Pair Device or Add Phone and select it. Your Terrain will then begin searching for nearby Bluetooth devices. Once your iPhone appears in the list, simply tap on its name to initiate the connection process. After selecting your iPhone, a pairing code will display on both your phone and the Terrain screen. Verify that these codes match, then confirm the connection on both devices. You might also be prompted to allow access to your contacts and messages. Accept these to enable full functionality. Your iPhone should now indicate it's successfully connected to your GMC Terrain. For Apple CarPlay, connect your iPhone directly to the Terrain's USB port. If you encounter any issues, first ensure your iPhone's operating system is fully updated. Sometimes, a simple restart of both your iPhone and the Terrain's infotainment system can resolve minor connection problems. Enjoy seamless integration with your GMC Terrain.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.